Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, we're going to go over nested classes in Python. So nested classes allow one class to be defined inside another class. And this is useful if a specific class is ever only used by another class and is not declared outside that class. So here I have a mage, and in the constructor we have a health and weapon, which is a staff, and we have an attack method. So if I create a mage and I call the attack method and I run the program, you can see the mage used the fire spell. Now what I want to do is create another class. So for the mage, I will extend the functionalities to include a method for summoning a dragon. So in order to summon a dragon, we need to define a dragon. So I can define the dragon here, and the dragon can attack, so I can do attack self. And for the attack, I'll just print used a fire breath attack. And for the mage, I can do self.dragon is equal to none by default. And then to summon the dragon, I would just do if self.dragon is none. So if we don't have a dragon, self.dragon is equal to dragon. And here I'll add a print statement, summoned dragon. And with the dragon, we want the dragon to attack, so I can do if self.dragon is not none, self.dragon.attack. Okay, so I have a mage, and I'm going to do mage.summonDragon. Now I save and run the program. You can see the mage summoned the dragon, and to attack, the mage used the fire spell, and since we have a dragon, the dragon used a fire breath attack. So here you can see we never create the dragon object outside this class. So what I can do is I can take this and I'll just comment this out, and I can define the dragon class over here. So now this dragon class is nested inside this mage class. And as you can see in our summon dragon method, we get dragon is not defined. And that is because we defined it inside mage. Therefore, if we want to create a dragon, we would do mage.dragon. So the outer class dot inner class. So now if I save and run the program, you can see the mage summoned the dragon, used the fire spell to attack, and then the dragon attacked by using a fire breath attack. And another benefit of doing this is the scope. So this dragon class is in the scope of mage, so it's mage.dragon. I can uncomment this, and I can do used a dark fire breath attack. So I can create another dragon outside this mage class, and here I can do enemy dragon and then enemy dragon.attack. So now if I save and run the program, you can see we created an enemy dragon, and the enemy dragon attacked by using a dark fire breath attack. So by using nested classes, we can change the scope of where the class is defined. So in this case, we have two different dragon classes, but one is defined outside and the other can be defined within mage, okay? So that's pretty much it for nested classes in Python. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date for more Python coding tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.